Dear Professor Westenberger, you offer a course, Advanced Business Intelligence and Analytics. What can I expect from this course?
Our course is very project-oriented. So we are considering a typical process from gathering requirements from typical BI analytics application consumer, gathering requirements, designing data structures, which are very typical for data warehouse, for example, data vault and multidimensional structures. Data profiling is a big topic, data quality analysis and handling of data quality issues. Then for sure implementing the whole pipeline of data processing. And finally, putting on top on this data service that we provide applications like reporting or analytics applications. So in its core, for sure, it's a little bit simplified, to be honest, but in its core, it's a typical task that a junior developer in the field of BI may encounter.
Let's assume I have taken a module, Business Intelligence, in my undergraduate studies. Does it make sense to take the ABIA course?
I think so. Many of these topics can be considered in undergraduate study, but I'm convinced that we will dive deeper in this topic. For example, data quality, data profiling is a challenging task, and working with it with real data, with real quality issues, is something that typically is not considered in such a detail in undergraduate studies.
Do you use any tools?
Yes, we will use SAS software. SAS is a company which is a specialist in the field of BI and analytics. And it's one of the market leaders in this field. The advantage of using SAS software is that it has inbuilt a programming language, which is a scripting language and specially designed for data manipulation.
Are there any requirements to join the course?
I think it is good to have a basic knowledge about relational database technology. For example, knowledge about SQL. Programming knowledge is an advantage for sure, but in my belief, with the graduation in computer science or information science, you will probably fulfill all these requirements.
How is the seminar practically conducted? Do I need to come to Gummersbach for
Yes.
it?
The seminar is given in 6 or 7 block days from October till December at Campus Gummersbach. And then it's followed by a homework phase in which you develop a task on real life data.
How is the grade for the seminar determined?
In the homework phase, you work in a team and you apply the knowledge that we have developed in our lectures and exercises on real life data in a real life scenario. You will document this process, you will provide this documentation, and then afterward, we will have a discussion about your project. That is the base for the grading. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to contact me via email. My email address is hartmut.westenberger@th-köln.de. And thank you.